Galatians chapter 6, verse 7 say, be deceived, for whatsoever a man sow shall he reap. Verse 8, he that sow to the flesh shall of the flesh reap corruption, but he that sow to the Spirit shall of the Spirit reap life everlasting. Now, what does it mean to sow and to reap? The great apostle used agricultural term to highlight the life of everyone that is existing on the face of this earth to be a sowing life. We are sowing in whichever way we are living our life. And in this sowing, we are sowing in two ways. We are either sowing good or we are sowing evil. And whosoever that is sowing evil is sowing to the flesh. And he that is sowing good is sowing to the Spirit. And the Bible said, we are going to reap, we are going to harvest that which we are sowing. It makes it clear that those that sow to the flesh shall reap corruption. What is corruption? Corruption is the negative implication of what a man does, the punishment, the afflictions that follow when one breaks, the rules, the commandments of God. The Bible said they will reap corruption. So those who are sowing to the flesh are going to reap corruption. Who are those sowing to the flesh? It is important that we understand this very clearly. All fornicators, all liars, all manslayers, all scammers, all evildoers in the society are sowing to the flesh. And the Bible says, you know what? They are going to reap corruption. They are going to reap corruption. There is no two ways about it. One cannot plant something else and reap contrary. It is exactly what a man sow, that is what is going to reap. And the Bible makes it clear that those that sow to the Spirit, these are people that are living a godly life, that are obedient to God's command, that are walking on the path of righteousness and holiness. They are sowing to the Spirit. The good works you are doing, you are sowing to the Spirit. The generous work you are doing, you are sowing to the Spirit. The selfless life you are living, you are sowing to the Spirit. The generous life you are living, you are sowing to the Spirit. Whenever you are doing good, you are sowing to the Spirit. And you know what? The Bible said, you shall reap eternal life. The apostle therefore admonished us in verse 9. He said, do not be weary in well-doing, for in due season you shall reap. So whenever we are sowing, we are equally close to our reaping season. Continue to sow good, continue to sow righteousness. So by the time you will be harvesting that which you have sown, you will do that with joy. Thanks for listening.